wasn't just the economy towards the end of the year. The corporate debt market has dried up. So where are the troubled financial institutions turning to for profit? Haris Usman discovers it's government securities or G-Secs. Here's why.
Not too long ago, primary dealers were giving up their licenses. Today, institutions are flocking to get licenses from the RBI. At the moment, there are 20 primary dealers in India and 8 applicants are vying for entry. Primary dealers enjoy the advantage of underwriting commission and access to RBI credit and the call money market.
Because whenever equity market is down, debt markets, they get revived and they start performing well. We've seen the last few weeks that debt markets are doing exceedingly well, particularly the government securities market. We have seen yield on a benchmark 10-year government security coming down from approximately 9.50% for the 10-year government security. They were offering a huge opportunity to make money.
And money it is, with government securities forming over 80% of the total debt market. 2006-07 saw volumes of over 10 lakh crore rupees in the government securities market. In 2007 and 8, the figure jumped to over 16 lakh crore rupees. And this year, the figure has already surpassed 10 lakh crore rupees. While commercial banks hold over 40% of government securities, insurance players hold about 26% and primary dealers just about 9%. But the turnover in the gilts market could go up significantly in the coming months as investors have turned risk averse.
The corporate bonds, there hasn't been too much of an issuance of that. There is no activity. Year before last, we saw a substantial issuance of corporate bonds, rated paper into the market. We saw about 40,000 crore worth of paper coming to the market. Last year, we saw about 4,000 crore worth of paper coming to the market. This year, there hasn't been much paper.
Falling inflation, increased government borrowing and an easing monetary regime have all made trading in government securities very lucrative. But the slew of applications for primary dealerships is clearly an indication that they're being looked at from a long-term perspective rather than for short-term gains. And of course, a dip in interest rates would further provide a boost to yields. New Delhi, Haris Usman for NDTV.